Yo, what is going on? Today is Thursday, August 6th, 10:47 a.m. Took two trades today and got break even on both. One thing I do want to sit on here and talk about first before I dabble into what took place on the day is that psychologically I have to get over this whirlwind within my mind that these alphas are the only accounts that I entered on today. So I have to get over this psychological block to just enter on my other accounts as well. They're there. Create opportunity, Nick. Like I always say, don't wait on opportunity, create opportunity. And that goes for everything. I need to act upon that. I need to listen to myself and just bang that out. But yeah, that's the main takeaway from today. Other than that, I feel as though my entries were very nice. It was very fucking frustrating as today I would enter, get break even to the tick, price sprints both times. And you know the rules, two break evens, I'm done. One L, I'm done. One win, I'm done. Should have been at least a 2.4K day, but NQ my lover doesn't want to love me back. But yeah, let's get into the day and what trades I actually did take. So I'm still waiting on this trade for eval up here. But coming into the day, we had. Hold up, let me move this just in case this trade does happen. And let me hit this one into replay mode and explain why I didn't take what I didn't take. But coming into the day, we had all of this low resistance liquidity still above. So obviously I'm going to want to see us tag into a lower PDRA, which on the higher time frame, this is equilibrium and this is an hourly gap. So they aligned. I wanted to personally see this first and then start seeing bullish distribution out because of, look at all of this low resistance, man. Like, look at all of the, oh, can it load? Look at all of this. Look at all of this low resistance, right? So obviously going to want to seek longs. At open, we started Judas swinging lower. Boom. We got this inverse, yes. Did not take it. I just wanted to see more confirmation. Would have gone tagged in had you put your limit at the 30-second inverse and perfectly distributed higher. But we still had this gap up here, which is the one I was mainly looking for, this 1 minute at first. But we had also an internal 30-second right here to go break even right here. This is actually the trade that I ended up taking, was this one. Just trying to target these equal highs. Stop loss was tighter than this. No. This was not what I was targeting. I definitely was targeting like up, like, no. Where was I targeting then? I think I was targeting here. I don't know, but what the fuck? This doesn't, is this the 30-second, right? Yeah, yeah, I was just targeting, was it these? No, it was, yeah, it was like up here I was targeting on both accounts, but yeah, just run past those equal highs. It was these equal highs, and I had a bigger stop. I had like a 30. Yeah, I had my stop down here. This is what it was. This is, now I remember. This is exactly what I was targeting. Those 30-second equal highs up there. But why didn't this play out? It did. So boom, we chopped around. Still got the inverse. Yes, we took what I would have originally used as break even, but I still had full faith and confidence in this draw, so I set my limit. I actually market ordered at like right here on my alphas. Takes the equal highs. Comes down, breaks me even. Sprints. Frustrating as fuck. No, my limit was like, I think my market order was like right here, just a little bit above the gap. Yeah, frustrating as fuck. This was a really good trade on my end, but just frustrating as shit. Because the candle that does explode up is the one that breaks me even. And it was the same thing both times today. Then we just chop around, consolidate. And I was originally looking to take this, go break even right here, take it to these London highs. But if we take a look, the candle that does it takes the break even. Still could have gone in towards those London highs because ES was in complete correlation with it. Cool, I waited, seeked out this 1 minute. Actually, no, I think I took it on the, yeah, the 1 minute inverted. I took a limit right here at the 30-second gap. We take Asia right there, go break even, get break even to damn near the tick. MNQ broke me even. MNQ broke me even because, like, you know, like when you place like your shit, when you go break even, you go a little bit above because of the fees. So like I had my shit literally to the tick, And yeah, which would have eventually fell break even. And now I'm seeking to take this gap up into that 4 hour. But yeah, just a frustrating fucking day because of these kind of break evens. Honestly, probably would have just taken profit. I probably would have just taken like a one. Probably would have just taken profit at 2R. I would have definitely trailed. I would have definitely been trailed out right here. Once we got this high, I would have put my stop right here. I know myself. Secured that winning day at least. But just so fucking frustrating today, man. Very fucking frustrating. And like I said, the main thing that I need to focus on and work on is to eliminate that fear, because that fear still lingers. We thought we got rid of it, but it's still lingering. And I can tell because of my actions taking place on not entering these setups on these other accounts. That's showing fear. So that we just have to eliminate that. We have this eval still. We have one eval ready for CPI on the 12th. This week so far on funded, we are 1 win, 2 break evens, 1 L on eval, 1 win on eval. So that's a total of like taking like 4 trades this week already. Only 1 win. Very frustrating because all of the plays ended up going in the direction that I'm saying. But what does that tell me? That tells me that my read is correct. It's just about pinpointing better precision on the executions and actual entering. They're correct to the damn near tick now. And it's very frustrating to watch it end up playing out. I don't get a sense of FOMO. You know what? It is technically a sense of FOMO. I get a sense of, damn, like I read that correctly and I can't be a part of it. You know, it's frustrating. So yeah, that is technically FOMO. It's very frustrating because I'm getting break even to the tick. It's like I'm reading it correctly, and it's keeping me stuck. It's keeping me stuck here. It's keeping me stuck right where I'm at, sadly, where I gotta get my ass up and I gotta go to work at 2. Like it's frustrating as fuck, but it's all a part of the grind. Just gotta keep chopping at it. Let's try to get at least a 5K in payouts this month. We just need 4 winning trades, and that's right around the corner. My executions have been looking solid, so just got to keep that up and got to stay confident, man. So, yeah. With that being said, I don't really know what else to really speak about. Higher time frame was aligned with everything that I thought about today. Just continue to create opportunity, Nick. Create more opportunity. Like go all in. Seriously, you have to. Just create that opportunity. Never wait on it. Just create it. But yeah. That being said, peace, love, positivity. Thank you for tuning in.